This week's Aviation 101 aircraft is the Airbus A330. It is a wide-body twin jet that is a direct descendant of the A300. It had its first flight on November 2nd, 1992, and went into service with Air Enter on January 17, 1994. The A330 is powered by two GE GF6, Pratt & Whitney PW4000, or two Rolls-Royce Trent 7000s. Depending on the variant, it can carry 247 to 277 passengers between 6,340 and 7,260 nautical miles. It is also commonly used for freight, as a military tanker, and as a corporate jet version. As of August 2024, 1610 have been built.